It's your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci. Third time shooting this video, but here we go. Today I'm going to show you how to make $50 a day on Clickbank with this new product, Affiliate Marketing for Beginners 2019. Let's hop straight into the video. So for this particular niche that I'm going to be showing you on Clickbank, I'm right here in the affiliate marketplace. We're going to be looking in the spirituality, new age, and alternative belief section. Particularly, we're going to be looking at the law of attraction and manifestation and things along that nature. So the offer that I want to show you, hold on, scratch that. Before I continue, you want to click on this bar. You want to click sort results by gravity. Now I already had the offer up. As I said, I've made this video 3 times, but when you do go to the affiliate marketplace, you want click this bar. It's going to be automatically on popularity. You want to come down here to the last one, click on gravity. That out the way, the offer we're going to be looking at today is right here, Instant Manifestation Secrets, September 2019. Today is September 10th, 2019. It's also my birthday. Leave your boy a comment below. Happy birthday, Mr. Da Vinci. But with that out the way, I'm going to briefly show you what this offer looks like, and then I'm going to show you how you can continue to make $50 a day, let alone a recurring income of $50 a month. So, gonna load this up. Fingers crossed that doesn't crash the browser. Gonna let this load a few seconds. Alright, boom. Just gonna click on the page. Alright, so briefly, this is a brief view of the page. I'm going to continue to scroll down. So this is what the offer is going to look like right here. And let's continue to scroll down. Got some reviews. Reviews look pretty cool. 60-day money back guarantee. Yada yada yada. So when you send someone here, they're going to be greeted by this man. I'll tell you this man's name in a second. But it's going to say watch now, so I can show you how to instantly manifest more money, love, and abundance starting in the next 30 minutes. So now that you've seen the offer, let me show you how we can use this offer to make the $50 a day. Here we are. If you want to know how I got here, because most people don't tell you this, you come down here when you see an offer. Not every offer has this, but it says affiliate page. You just want to right click that, open link in a new tab. I've done that already. That's why I'm right here. Now, these are the commissions that you can make on the front end, which is the offer I just showed you. It said $38, but right here has the price of $47. You're making 75% commissions. But the part that I really like about this offer is it has a rebill. Now, when promoting Clickbank offers or any affiliate marketing offers, you do want to go for offers that have a rebill. This is how you make monthly income. This is a part of passive income that people are looking for. Maybe you're looking for. So let me show you the different types of rebills that they have for you. Obviously, they have the initial rebill, which is $37. But if you look on the side, it tells you the amount of rebills, how much you make for the amount of rebills that you can get. So if you can get 50 people to stay on this monthly, you'll get $925. You get 100 people, that's $1,850. 200 people, $3,700. 300 people, $5,500. 400 people, $7,400. And 500 people, you can make up to $9,000. Let me highlight this: $9,250 monthly. Doesn't that sound amazing? It does sound amazing, and it's achievable. So the front end offer is $47. The month, how much they'll get billed monthly is $37. And then lastly, they have an upsell. So right here it says 50% of the customers who will check out will take this upsell. So it's saying 50% of the people who buy this for $47, 50% will also make $67 as well. So we're going to do some quick math here off the top of my head. So we're going to do, I load up the calculator on my screen, but I don't want my computer to crash. 47, yep, 47 plus 67, that's $114 off of one sale. That's not even including the total rebill. So let's say that you get someone, they buy the front offer, they buy the upsell, and they stay. We're going to add another $37. That's $151 that you just made for this offer. Hit my face right here, subscribe to the channel. Check out this video I got for you. If you like this video, you're definitely going to love this video. Check out my affiliate marketing playlist. Check out the other content that should be popping on the screen. Boom, right now. Leave me any questions, comments, or concerns that you have referring to affiliate marketing, Clickbank, Warrior Plus, yada yada, etc., etc. This has been your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci. Again, give this video a like if you enjoyed this type of content. Definitely lets me know what you want to see from the channel, and it also helps spread out the video so that I can reach other viewers across YouTube so they can learn about the techniques and secrets that I'm showing you. Until tomorrow, your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci. Leave me a comment. Check out the first comment below on this video, be pinned below. Signing off.